Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Google form on your mobile device. First, open your preferred mobile browser like Chrome or Safari and go to Forms, Google.com. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. Once there, you will see an option to start a new form. Tap the blank option to begin building your form from scratch. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now let's add some questions to your form. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right of your screen to add a new question. You can select various question types, such as multiple choice, short answer, or paragraph. For each question, you can make it a required field and add a helpful description. This ensures you gather all the necessary information from your respondents. Next, we'll look at customizing your form settings and appearance. Tap the three-dot menu or the gear icon to access the settings. Here, you can control how responses are collected, like limiting to one response per person. You can also personalize the form's look by changing the theme, colors, and header image to match your needs. Finally, it's time to share your form and view the responses. Tap the send icon, usually a paper airplane, to share your form. You can send it via email, get a shareable link, or even embed it on a website. Once people start responding, you can easily view all the collected data in the Responses tab directly on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.